Hi everyone. Today we're going to go ahead and change the fuel pump relay on a 1988 C4 Corvette. So the fuel pump relay is actually located by the firewall. So there's two screws right over here that need to be removed, which I've actually removed already. So what we're going to do is actually go ahead and I'll remove that piece itself. It just comes right off here. And then there's a clip underneath it. Just have to undo the clip and then just replace it with the brand new one. To get to it, you'll again undo these two screws over here. What I've done is the wiper motor has the attachment here, which would be really difficult to get to that screw. So just squeeze the clips, pull them out from the wiper motor, and just put it aside, so it's easier for you to actually get to those two screws. All right, so I've removed those two screws, and soon, just in a few moments, I'll actually take it out. And we'll put the new one. Stay tuned. So I'm going to actually use a flathead screwdriver just to pry. You can see a little bit here, the gap, just to pry open. Just kind of going through each area here gently. Slowly but surely getting there. There we go. And it's out. So that's the old one here. So what you want to do is just give this a little clean up, just making sure before you put the new one, just gonna give it a little clean up there. Always just be careful. If you have, mine's an 88 C4, you don't want to break this plastic piece out when you're trying to open it. So that's why I was trying to pry it really slowly, which is a flathead screwdriver. You don't want to snap this plastic piece. Again, this is an 88, it's an older car. These things a little more brittle as years pass. So just as a note, just be careful when you're opening this up, when you're taking out the old one. And in a few moments, we'll put in a new one. All right, before I install the new fuel pump relay, I just want to mention something I forgot to mention earlier. This is an electrical component, so you want to go ahead and actually, to play it safe, just remove the negative component from the battery. Just to play it safe. So you want to just remove that negative part, and we'll go ahead and actually put in the brand new fuel pump relay. So here's the new part that I received, and I'll just plugging it back in. So looking at over here, just kind of line it up. So you can see the two prongs on the very top will line up there. So we'll just snap it back in. There we go, you heard that snap. All right. And now what I'm going to do is screw it back in to the All right, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten those two screws now, and then of course I'm going to put back the clip over here for the wiper motor, and then I'll reconnect the battery, the negative terminal, and we'll give it a start. Stay tuned. All right, start her up. There we go. Much quicker start than the past, especially the most recent. So the fuel pump relay, a really inexpensive part to replace. All right, well, thanks everyone for watching this video. God bless. See you in the next one.